This is just a quick run through of a way of sharing documents across Enterprise Tester. So what you can see here is I've set up a requirements folder and I've just called it shared documents, and then I've put a hardware specification. So if you look at it, it's very simple. All it has is an attachment with in this case it's just a picture. But what it enables me to do is, if I want to apply that hardware specification attachment across the different test cases, I can just simply drag and drop it onto the folder. And then what you'll notice is against the test case, under the relationships tab, you'll see that that hardware specification is then related to the test case. So this is not, a document storage solution, but it does give you the ability to create the attachment in one spot and then distribute it across all the test cases very quickly. Of course, when you go and execute it, so if I put it into this release 1 folder, what you'll notice in here as I execute under the relationships, you'll see the hardware specification, which I can then click into and go and get the attachment. So it's a simple way. It's a bit of a workaround in terms of having shared folders. It should work. Obviously, you know that if you put an attachment against a test, then you can have that come across to the execution. So wherever we, whatever attachment we put in there, so it's just an image. So as I save and close that one, and then if I go and execute that test, you'll see that the attachment comes up on the execution as well. So two ways. If you're trying to get attachments across multiple test cases, then the pseudo shared document requirement kind of folder comes into play and is quite nice. If you're wanting a test case attachment across multiple executions, you can put it against the test case itself. So I envision, if you want to use the shared document way, is that you'd have multiple different documents or attachments that you could then add in as requirements under the shared documents area, and then just associate them to the test cases. That would solve the problem.